PK3 friends, it's Mrs. B and Jet, and we are here because we are going to do a fun little counting activity. Are you guys ready? Come along. You're learning about the number, what number? Did you say 18? Good job. You're learning about 18 this week. So here's what we're going to do. Ready? All right, we have 3 bags of snacks. And what we're going to do is we're going to open up each bag and we're going to count out if the bag has 18 of the snack inside. If it has 18, then we're going to do an 18 dance. 18, 18, 18, 18, 18. And you're going to do it too at home, okay? Ready? Let's see what's in the first bag. Jet, can you open up the bag of pretzels? Let's see. Let's get that bag open. Look at those fine motor skills put into work. All right, let's count out. Are there 18 in here? Will we get to do the 18 dance? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you help me out, Jet? 5. Let's get some more. We got 5. Here, let's do them in rows. 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, here, do another row, 11, 12, 13, 14, hold on, 15, 16, 17, 18! It's time for the 18 dance! It's 18! It's 18! Get your groove on! It's 18! Woo! We had 18 in the pretzel bag! Wow, guys! Great work! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18! The pretzel bag passed our 18 test. All right, now it's time. Let's move the pretzels over. We are going to do the cheddar bunnies. All right, Jet, let's open up the cheddar bunnies. Will it pass the 18 test? Here we go. The moment of truth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Uh-oh. Runaway bunny. 13, 14, 15. I'm feeling good about this, friends. 16, 17, 18! It passed 18! It's 18! It's 18! It's 18! Do the 18 dance! 18! It's 18! All right. Okay, we got one more bag, and it's the veggie straws. Do you think there's going to be 18 veggie straws in the bag? Let's find out. All right, Jet. He is so good at opening up these snack bags. Woo! All right, here we go, friends. Are you feeling good? You feeling like it's gonna be 18? Okay, there's 1. All right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The bag is getting lighter. 16. Will we make it? 16, 17. Do, 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 do. 18. It's 18. It's 18. It passed our 18 snack test. It's 18. It's 18. Woo! We did it, guys. Okay, let's do a real quick recap. The pretzels had 18. The cheddar bunnies, 18. The veggie straws, 18. I'm feeling pretty good. How you feeling, Jet? Now you can have a snack. Would you like a snack? Which one are you going to go for? Pretzels, cheddar bunnies, or veggie straws?
All of them.
All right, guys, I hope you have fun. Do this test at home. Open up a snack bag with your parents' permission and count out 18 of your snacks. See if it's inside. Have a great day. Miss B loves you, and Jesus loves you most of all. Bye-bye.